what the animal this is? Chicken. Did you know that chickens are living descendants of dinosaurs?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, next. Buffalo.
Yes.
Despite their intimidating appearance, buffaloes are generally gentle and pleasant. Okay, let's do another one. Donkey. Yes, you are right. Their large ears are full of blood vessels designed to dissipate heat and help keep donkeys cool. Moving on to the next one. Duck. Ducks can produce more eggs than chickens. Hamster.
Look.
Hamsters are intelligent creatures who can even learn their name. Llama. Llamas don't bite. They spit when agitated, but that's mainly at each other. Can you guess what the animal this is? Pig. Pigs, in their natural state, are one of the cleanest animals in the world. Okay, next. Rabbit. Most rabbits can actually turn their ears 180 degrees. This rotation can pinpoint the exact location of a sound. Sheep. Sheep can recognize up to 50 faces and remember them for 2 years. Turkey. Turkeys actually got their name from the country Turkey.